What's up guys, MotoFlightGuy here. Welcome back to the channel. It's a beautiful, beautiful Saturday evening here, and me and Lyle are about to go up in the airplanes, have a ton of fun doing some formation flying, show you guys just how much fun you can have in some trainer airplanes. So stay tuned.
Tonight, throw that thing from left, right, side to side. Yeah. All my friends are here. Play my favorite song right on top. Yeah.
When I get on the other side here, I'll just make a nice gentle right-hand turn so you can join up easier.
Yeah. No, we never stop. Shake, shake, shake your honey till the morning. Let me hear you say I'm ready. I'm ready. Come on. Now slide, slide, slide to the bar. Shine, shine, shine like a star. Let me
I'm looking, but I'm right in the sun.
It would be right under the sun for you.
Oh, I got it.
Yeah. That's what I want to see you slide, slide, slide.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Tonight, throw that thing from left, right, side to side. Yeah. All my friends are here. Play my favorite song right back on time. Ooh, the style, music pumping, we just keep on rolling. No, we never stop. Shake, shake, shake your honey till the morning.
Shelby County traffic, Ercoupe flight of 6 miles to the southwest. We'll be straight in for an overhead break on 4, Shelby County.
Shine, shine, shine like a star. Let me hear you say I'm ready. I'm ready. Come on. Now slide, slide, slide to the bar. Shine, shine, shine like a star. I wanna see ya. I wanna see ya. So let me hear you sigh. I said I wanna see ya slide, slide, slide.
What a beautiful evening for flying. Tons of formation time. Just a gorgeous, smooth evening. Temps were decent. Doesn't get any better. I hope this inspires you guys to go take your first flight lesson, because this is easy to do for anybody. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.
Come on, now slide, slide, slide to the bar. Shine, shine, shine like a star.